let's open it.
See the light.
So today I'm gonna be unboxing this AirPod, my first AirPod on this channel, and I never opened one before, so this is my first time. So before I unbox this video, I mean not unbox this video, before I unbox this AirPod, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn notifications and also give this video a thumbs up. So here we go. Got my knife here, as you can see. So I got the AirPods with the charging case, the first generation, and yeah, it's pretty nice. This is what it will look like. But here we go. Okay. Alright. Alright. Here we go, into the box. Alright, one side has been cut. Then the second side. And the third side. And last side. Alright. Alright, that has been opened. Now, I wanna take the plastic off. Alright, now this is what it looks like without the plastic piece. So, here we go. Let's open it. Alright, so in here we have designed by Apple in California. And inside we have AirPods. We have the instruction manual, as you just have to use Bluetooth and all that and that stuff. We have all the instruction guides, whatever these manual things are in here. So that's what it is in here. Okay, let's put this thing back. Alright, now it's finally in there. Alright, so in here we found, in here we have AirPods. And then under here we have the cable. I don't really need the cable right now, so because I have a whole bunch of lightning cables. So let's move this out of the way, and let's unwrap all of this. So all right. This is what it looks like. It's really shiny, and it has nice earpiece inside. So this is what it looks like. Very nice. It also has a lightning cable. This is the button to pair it, as you can see, and it's pretty nice. Here's the inside. This is what it will look like. Nice and clean. Just bought it. So yeah. Let's go on with the video. Hey, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like unboxing this video because I just got new Apple Airpods and I'll be definitely using it because it's cool and it's Bluetooth, so it will not use any wires or any other stuff. It's just mainly Bluetooth. So yeah, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell next to it, and also give the video the thumbs up because, you know, just it'd be nice. And see you in the next video. Peace, guys.